think me fuck on you, and me think that you fuck on me. Still me pray you find somebody to keep your company.
She would even highly targeted and I just press up. Oh, you're fine now, Stig.
Reaction.
Boom! What's the word to Mr. Boy TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction? Boom! And the back in the video for you guys. People here with that song from Stig, that artist called Lonely. You see me, say link to the original video down below in the description. People can subscribe to Stig the artist. If you ever check, you see me, say get into 100k over there. So you did me. I'm not post video on the next channel again. But we probably gonna merge them, so we don't know that I'll go yet. But go and subscribe to that Vevo channel. You see me, say that still I drop the bangers them. I'm not gonna find them. You see me. Anyways, like when the video come out, you did me I say, we're gonna show what I go on for the one I write about now. Why she have this time at 11 o'clock? I don't think you're brawling even. She don't want to give me the phone for me. She bribed me. Anyways, Lonely, what's it about? It's a girl song? Let me see what it's about. It's a girl song. Alright then, tickers. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Like our video, we can see what I go on. Rest and bass intact. Ready? Double cheeked up. Like what I go on so far, right? Hey. Whoa. Lonely. You have got like your wine in the house and baiting. I must something say lonely about me. You know why you're lonely yet, you know? I could see what I'm going. I'm telling you again, people, if you can relate to the song, they know a different things already. Once you can relate to the song, I'm kind of lonely, you know, because my girl left me, you know, so let me see for that thing I talk about. Because that's the only thing you can see about if a girl left you, though. You're lonely, though. I could see what I'm going.
Right now me feel lonely. Me girl just left and me just bury me fucking know me. Me feel lonely.
John was star. Forgot what that part there, you know. We don't want to think about that part there. You see me, I say, my general, no, mom, no, we don't want to think about that part there. You see me, I say, the girl, she can always go on, but you see that last part there? See the last part there? Watch the last part there, dog.
Me girl just left and me just bury me fucking know me.
No, we don't bury nobody. We not think about that part there. But John, what you left for, baby? See if you reach me in the dog. Tell them when I say like when I can relate to a fucking song. Watch your style there now.
Feel lonely, roll up a Uzi. Nobody see it, come in no show it. God that you alone keep me strong. You like a weed, me no need.
Well, I break up everything what I'm saying. I break down everything what I'm saying. You see me, I say, you ain't feeling lonely, but nobody no see kind of in a show. Listen to that, man.
Wait. Roll up a Uzi. Nobody see it, come in no show it.
Nobody see it, cause when I show it. You see me, I say, roll up a big head stiff. You see me, I say, but nobody I can see you alone, cause when I show it, we're a man. You see me, I say, we're not gonna show them things there. Only time we show a girl, say, we're alone, we want Africa give some pum pum. Last time we had on a beacon, man, she said, you okay, man? I said, no, I'm gonna feel too right. You know me, I said, she said, you want me to come over and keep her company and watch some TV? She know, say, I fuck, she come fuck already. But you know, she said, she know, I said that. Anyways, ready?
God that you alone keep me strong. Yeah. You like a weed, me no need no religion. Make this money and fuck up like 50 grand. Hope you still listen, girl, when me...
But my J, how you feel say this now? God that you don't keep me strong. Listen now, drink like I'm born with or whatever I say. You don't need no religion. You don't say I God keep you strong down, you mean I need a religion. Anyways, talk it down. I said she broke up with them and I said she gonna break up with them because she goes through man phone. I mean, you like when you get a letter to the dog, where you go through phone for B? What should I say?
Sing me song, la la la. Girl, me know you think me fuck on you, and me think that you fuck on me. Still me pray you find somebody to keep your company.
She would even highly targeted and I just press up. Oh, you're fine now, Stig. Oh, you're fine now. But if you want to fuck by each other, just keep fucking and go and fuck by each other, see me and man and make it thing work. You see me? I just keep on the level. Don't rub it in my face. You see me? I say, I don't know what can hurt me. Go on.
Me feel lonely.
Yeah.
Right now me feel lonely. That's why me smoking. Nobody see it, come in no show it.
I gotta play a sing. Put the man face. I know I feel lonely. I feel lonely. Put on your act in the car. We have one back like that. You can act. You can act.
Wipe me eye, me not cry, me big.
Yeah.
Me know you left cause of the life me live.
Yeah.
Soon get the rich, could I buy you this and buy.
You hear that? You hear that? You hear that? You talk to you now. My ex me I talk to now. You see me I say? Listen what man say while I go to.
Know you left cause of the life me live.
No, she left because of the life me live. And that's how she doing a dog. She left because of the life I'm living the dog. She left because of the YouTube life I'm doing the dog. American girl asked, hey.
Soon get the rich, could I buy you this and buy you that. Goodbye, no miss. Place I get fucked up, I'm a single.
You hear that? Let her go out right now. But John, I'm kind of miss that girl that's still in the dark. Bumbuckler, dog. Miss one Catty be there in the dark. I get her call. No, that's a bumbuckler. She there. I read you got your man phone. I'm going to tell you what the girl do in the dark. I tell you what car in the game. I tell you what the be doing. I tell you eventually.
Me know you think me fuck up, I'm a simple.
Yeah.
Me still love you, but me sinful.
Yeah.
Plus, man, a star like twinkle.
Yeah.
Hope that.
Oh my gosh, twinkle, twinkle, little stars. Woman. Oh no, woman. Talk, Stig.
They don't come, then I say fuck you. Cause after this, girl, I know you're gonna broke loose. We done did what we did, we can't undo. And if you ever miss me, girl, just come true. Me feel.
I'm not lying. A couple times she come back after I don't know anything. After I break up and again. I say, a couple times she come back for the You see where she come for the Hey, what's your name? Thank God to the American watching video get the blood like I would have that trouble. Yo!
Alone, walking. I'm a big. Me know you that. Goodbye, no miss. God, that you alone keep me strong. The grand.
You know how I see the chorus again.
Hope you still listen, girl, when me sing me song.
Hold on.
Make this money and fuck up like 50 grand.
Yeah.
Hope you still listen, girl, when me sing me song.
Oh, them gonna still listen. Them gonna still watch your page. Me tell you that I can see them that. Stalk of them blood clot. Me I go to my hand for the girl link back and say, why we not follow each other? Very, we could change that and from what? Girl, move your bumper clot and go to me know I saw me. I don't want to see what you post. I don't want to see me a bumper clot post. That's what my father just put up on a restriction. And then me I say, yeah man. Cause still like pump still good and you know so when they under the eye, we have to somebody for call it. God!
Girl, me know you think me fuck by you.
Hey.
And me think that you fuck by me. Still me pray you find somebody. Won't share with the world what's on my.
Hold on. I'm like the video was so far too, you see me I say? I was like a storyteller. I'm not last thing, last video never had no bumper class storyteller like that. You just come from the camera and sing, don't this way. It's a bad dog, but you should put a story behind the bumper class video. You hear shit, dog. You hear shit. Song bad though, I love the song. Burn up and love an argument. Go on!
I know sometimes I don't share with the world what's on my heart. I broke your heart, you broke my heart, we fell apart.
But we are man. We don't share. We don't share what we are think, but we don't share what we are go through with nobody. We are talking about work. We don't do them things. We don't soft soap. No, I'm good, baby. Good, kawa. We go figure it out, dog. You know me I say, talk.
Now we fucking acting like strangers. We put this thing in danger. When you start like, I'ma start like.
Feel lonely.
Me feel lonely.
I hate that still. I hate that, but I ain't that, but dog. You see, I'm telling you what going to be now. You see me I say. So the first incident with it being a dog, you see me? When I be there, I watch TV now. You see me I say, dog, I throw have to share my phone screen to the bottom buckler TV. I'm for phone. Oh, this, me wake up and look. Me not see no phone. Girl run, go in the bathroom, bottom buckler phone in the dog. Next thing no girl come out to cry. Me fear say, what? What going in? I say she go see some bumper class sitting on the phone. I say, bumper class. You eat that in the girl. Look how long your blood clot they never search my phone. Now you want to search my phone. I know you want to search my bumper class. Look how long with it. And I know you want such my blood clot foot. You know me I say? And then when I lie still in I did some mingle house that night. I said, nah, make you try to go, man. You see me? I'm just sleeping on my bed, I'm sleeping on the couch and right there. You know me? Yeah. You know what I mean? Look, yeah. Now man, still I go up on a little level. Just someone who fix things. You know me I say? Cause I never made her stay on the phone, you see me I say? Then the beast start getting mad for anything now, dog. We used to travel from other YouTube channel, dog. I'm just on a studio video, dog. I met take picture with my fans and she said, oh, you cheating, but I told me viewers them support them account on video shoot me take picture with my phone. You know the studio video them that I take picture in the studio. I take picture with man, I take picture with girl, everybody. The supporters them, they be mad. I feel say, go on here, go. Come on now start do YouTube, I tap you money. The fuck you talking about? Go on here, bomba clot, go. We think you can control. They think me I say that. John was that. My dad was one about the American girl in the dog. You see me I say, don't deal with them dog. You see me I say, but fuck up though, make a mistake dog. My phone don't know it, so I have a youth in it. You see me I say. And it's my Bex. My person I have a youth to it. You see me I say, my glad see me I'm not girl in and thing. I say, my glad see me I'm my own son. But dog, don't have no you with no American dog. You see me I say, don't get no American girl pregnant dog. Don't do it. Don't bumbo clot do it. You see me I say, what's the Jamaican girl? Jamaican girl actually good compared to the American girl. Yeah, man. With that being said, I shall sign out them. Make up again, I'm a fucking creator as usual. Gone. Peace.
Right now, me feel lonely.
You know, blood clot, more money and more like.